Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we're gonna get ready together. I've been doing so many get ready with me videos. I love doing them because it gives me the chance to just talk to you guys while I'm putting on my makeup and trying new makeup. And today it's all about new makeup. I am so excited because I'll be wear testing the latest foundation stick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Unreal Sheer Glow Tint, and it's going to be a hydrating foundation. I cannot wait to dive into this one. I have not even opened it. I did same day delivery yesterday from my local Sephora. This is what shade 3 looks like, and I think it's going to be a perfect match. I also have a new bronzer from the Sephora collection, some new Lawless beauty blushes, and a whole bunch of other goodies that I cannot wait to share with you guys. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying new makeup. I'm primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos. Get ready with my style of videos as what you're seeing right now. If that sounds good to you and you want to see my videos on a regular basis, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're anxious to see how this new one from Charlotte Tilbury is going to turn out, or you just want to get ready for the day together, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And don't forget to check the description box to links, codes, everything to the makeup that I'm going to be wearing in today's video. And if you do end up shopping through my links or codes, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. If you guys want to see how this wear test, because I forgot to mention that we're going to be doing a 10-hour wear test today of all this makeup. If you guys want to see how it's going to perform, keep on watching. So for primer today, I'm going to use this one from Smashbox, and this is their Photo Finish Mattifying Oil Controlling Primer. And I feel like I'm gonna need something a little bit matte underneath this glowy foundation, just because I am a normal to oily skin type, and I'm gonna get glowy all on my own. So I'm really anxious to see how this one is gonna perform. Unfortunately, I'm not able to give it my regular 2-day wear test, only because I have a trip coming up and I have a lot of things going on before I leave, but at least we'll get a good feel, a good first impression on how this stick foundation from Charlotte Tilbury is going to perform. Again, this is shade 3. And I would recommend, well, let's see. Let me apply it first before I say anything. I was going to say, I don't know that you're going to need to use like her Hollywood Flawless filter on top of this, because to me, this looks like the Hollywood Flawless filter just in a stick form. But yeah, we'll see. I need this makeup to look good because I am filming a commercial today that is going to be just broadcast locally here in my area. I'm going to use the BK Beauty A101 travel brush to spread this out. But it is for Easter seals. And so I'm doing that this morning. And so I need this makeup. I'm a little nervous, but I need this makeup to look good because it's for a commercial that's going to be run quite a few times up until August. So yeah, I want this makeup to look the best it can. And I'm liking the shade already. I think it looks really good. This is feeling lightweight. I feel like I have a cat hair somewhere, the phantom cat hair, as you all like to call it. I really like stick foundations. I mean, they're just so easy to travel with, so easy to use. And if this one turns out great, maybe I will travel with this one. Who knows? I'm used to always traveling with the Lancome Tint Idole foundation stick. It's just so good, and it provides the amount of coverage that I need and that I want. But I am going on a beach vacation for a week, so I don't really wear makeup the whole week. I wear it like the day I arrive, and then that's pretty much it. Look, here, we found it. Here's the cat hair. I'm gonna see if this will build up a little right here, and if it doesn't, and right up here, then I'm gonna use my concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to do the damp sponge with this one and just build up in those areas that I want that additional coverage. Yeah, that looks nice. That definitely looks like Hollywood Flawless Filter, but in a stick form. Okay, now I'm going in with her concealer, and the shade I have is For Fair. And I'm just using my damp beauty sponge to spread that concealer out. All right, guys, I am liking this. I think this looks really pretty. Look at that beautiful glow my complexion has. Oh, I love a good glow. Now, before I add any powder products, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. Now I'm going to set my T-zone and under eye area with this Sigma powder, and this is their Soft Focus Setting Powder in the shade Vanilla Bean. Now I picked up a new bronzer from the Sephora collection. This one is in shade 00 Sun Kissed Haze. Now I'm going to use my BK Beauty 107 to start applying. I believe this is a matte, silky soft powder that melts instantly into the skin. Yeah, matte. I knew it was matte. Duh, it says it on the front. All right, for blush, I have a lot to choose from Lawless. They sent me all of their new cream blushes. I haven't opened a single one yet, but this is what the shades look like. I'm going to be wearing a navy blue dress today, and we're going to be using the Fantasy Cosmetica palette, the Cradled in Ice palette today. So I'm thinking either Angel or Rosebud would be nice. Maybe Rosebud, so I can have a little bit more color. I feel Angel is going to be a little too light, and I need my makeup to stand out a little bit today. So let me look for it. Where is, let's see, Angel and, oh, I had opened one. I opened Rosebud. I haven't used it though, but this is what the packaging looks like. Then, oh yeah, that's going to be a really pretty shade, and you do get a mirror. Very nice packaging on these. I'm going to use the Sigma F08. This is a fairly new brush, and I'm going to start applying. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know how I'm feeling about this blush. I don't really think it's going on top of the foundation that great. Let me see about using my damp sponge. I don't know. With this sponge, it really shears it out, but I don't really like it. I mean, it's hardly showing up, and then why wear anything at all if it's not going to show up? I'm going to have to keep playing with these and test them out. Maybe it's because it's a sheer foundation underneath, but right now I'm not particularly liking it. I do have the Moonshroom palette from Lunar Beauty here, and I'm going to use a highlighter from here, but I feel like maybe I need a powder blush. I don't know. I'm not really vibing with this blush. Let me grab a powder one. All right, so I'm going to use this one right here. NYX, of course, and this one is Getting Butter. And I think I'll just use the same brush, even though this brush is mainly meant for cream, but look at that. Yeah, that's giving me, oops, you know what? No, change brushes here. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. But now I can see some pigment. Okay, so I think that looks a bit better. Not perfect. I'm not totally in love with it, but now that I added the powder on top, I mean, it's not terrible. So I'm going to go back in with Lunar Beauty Moonshroom, and I think I'll do Blossom. Okay, So here's what the complexion is looking like. I'm gonna go take care of brows off camera, and then when I come back, we're gonna start creating an eye look. I have some new eyelashes from Eyelure that I'm gonna apply, and we'll take care of the rest of this makeup. All right, so the brows are on, and I did add NYX eyeshadow primer to my lids. It's their ultimate eyeshadow primer, not the glitter primer. And we're going to be diving into Cradled in Ice from Fantasy Cosmetica. I do have an affiliate code with them, and it is Steff, and that saves you 10% off of your order. I'm going to be working with these two shades first. This one and then this one. And I'm using a BK Beauty 201 to apply. I'm hoping my microphone doesn't die. I went to charge it while I was doing my brows, but if I see that it turns red, yeah, I might have to just do the rest of the video without audio, but it's just the eyeshadow portion that we really need to get through, and I can just point and then you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Now on a Refer 13, I'm going in with that second shade. I'm going to focus that out here and also into the crease. All right, I think that's looking really good. I do want to take a little bit of this deeper shadow on the same brush and just add it right out here. I think I want to do a little blue for the lower lash line. Now, for the shimmer shadow, I think I'm going to go into this one. And I'm using a damp Morphe M124 to apply. Wow, I think that looks really, really pretty. Ooh, love it. This is a really good palette. This is like I think the fourth time that I use this one, the second time on camera. But I didn't get to do like a dedicated video over it, but I really wanted to feature it in today's Get Ready With Me. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this darker blue shadow here. Using a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. Not going to take it all the way through because I want to add another shimmer to that inner corner. I think I'm going to try this one right here for the inner corner. All right, guys, loving it. And I think I already know what I'm going to do in the lower waterline. Let me show you. I don't have a new mascara, but I do have lashes. Where did I put them? They're from, oh, here they are. They're from Eyelure. And I picked these up at Ulta, and they're pre-glued lashes. So these are the ones I'm going to be wearing today. And I'll be right back, and you'll see the completed look. And don't forget, this is going to be a 10-hour wear test. All right, guys, so here's the completed look. I did add those lashes. I used a little bit of my Essence liquid eyeliner for the top lash line, just a black one. Lower waterline is Give by Gwen Stefani in the shade Bath Water. For lipstick, I'm wearing this combo right here. This is a new one that Lawless sent to me. But let me tell you about the e.l.f. lipstick first. This one is in the shade Effortless. I like this one. I use this one quite a bit. And then this other one right here, this is the Forget the Filler from Lawless. This one is in the shade Daisy Pink, and I love the color combination. I think this look is very complimentary to my lace navy blue dress. And now I am heading off to work. I like the way this face of makeup looks. I'm liking the foundation stick so far. It is a minimal coverage, so if you have those trouble areas where you need to build up coverage, I would just use your concealer to do that. But I really love the eyeshadow. I think it looks good. I will check in with you guys later, and then at the end of the day, I will give you guys my final thoughts. All right, guys, so this is the 11-hour check-in. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to do a midday check-in. It was a super busy day at work, but this is what my complexion is looking like. I mean, everything is still on, minus the lippy, of course, but it's definitely a glowy foundation stick with sheer coverage, so you'll definitely need to build this up. I wasn't too crazy about the Lawless blush on top of this. I will try the Lawless blush with other foundations. I love the eye look. That's still intact. This lash right here looks like it's lifting a little bit, and these were the Eyelure pre-glued lashes. But you know, it was a good day of makeup. This is a super lightweight foundation stick from Charlotte Tilbury, and I actually think this could be an alternative to the Hollywood Flawless filter. So, I mean, you could possibly do this underneath, maybe as a primer, and then do another foundation at the on top of it. I'm sorry, sister distracted me for a second, but I think you could pair it that way. It just really, this foundation stick really reminds me of the Hollywood Flawless filter. But other than that, I like the way the Face of Makeup held up. It did a great job. Now I need to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts. Did you pick up the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation stick? What are your thoughts on it? Did you order this new Fantasy Cosmetica Cradled in Ice collection? It was a full collection. Let me know what you think. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.